Hi! In front of me is Lenovo K6 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now you need to find recorder and click on it. Then click on this red mic icon to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on this button with two lines. And if you wish to end your recording, click on the square one. After that, as you can see, your recording will be successfully saved. If you want to delete it, you can always hold it. Tap on this bin icon over here and select OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!